Today, we're diving into a common issue many of us face with Google Translate errors and how to fix them. Whether it's inaccurate translations or the tool not working as expected, I'll guide you through some troubleshooting steps to resolve these issues. First, let's identify some common errors users encounter. First, incorrect translations, tool freezing or not responding, then language detection errors. Now, some of the troubleshooting steps are clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes accumulated data can cause translation errors. Let's start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. Open your Chrome, click search for Google Translate, click on three dots in your computer and go to site settings and tap on clear cache. The next thing you need to do is check internet connection. A poor internet connection can also affect Google Translate's performance. Check if your Wi-Fi is working properly. If not, switch to mobile data. Also, update browser app. Outdated versions can sometimes lead to compatibility issues. Search for Chrome. If there is an update available, simply update it. Now, switching browsers or devices can help rule out local issues. You can switch browsers or devices. For example, if I'm using this device, I'll be switching to my PC. You can do that. Now, next thing is use Google Translate app. If you're facing issues on the Chrome, try using the mobile app. Go to your Google App Store or Google Play Store and search for Google Translate. Simply download this and search for the translation that you need. And today we've covered several troubleshooting tips to help you fix errors in Google Translate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other issues you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.